Hello, everybody. Welcome to another reaction video from Benza Daniel Johnson from the Dutch office. And joining me, as always, is Sean Shields from the U.S. office. Hey, Sean. Good to have you, as always. Today, we've got a couple of newbies. First time doing reaction videos, and so they're sweating it. They don't know what's going to be thrown their way. They've seen other reaction videos, but now they are in the hot seat. So I will let them introduce themselves. Gillian, why don't you start?
Thank you very much, Daniel. Hi, my name is Gillian. I am sales manager for Hotelkit. I am based in Amsterdam, and my focus is on the Dutch market. So Hotelkit is a hotel software that aims to optimize interdepartmental communication and daily hotel operations. And what I very much appreciate about Hotelkit, having worked in hotels myself, is that it's a one platform approach where you can find all the information you need to successfully run your hotel.
Awesome. Good to have you. Good to have a Nederlander here. You know, nice to have just down the street there in Amsterdam. John, introduce yourself for those that don't possibly know you. I don't know who that should be.
Hey everyone, I'm the guy who dresses up as a mascot at High Tech. My name is John Stojka. I'm the co-founder of Sertifi. We provide an agreement execution platform, and primarily we help people get contracts signed faster using electronic signatures, and we help them get paid faster. So by integrating those two things, you can get your deal done faster. That's what we do.
Right on. Good to have you, John. Sertifi is not only a partner of Benza's, we do a lot of work with you guys, but also we are a customer of Sertifi. So give a plug to you guys. We love our friends at Sertifi. So you guys have been waiting. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. Sean is going to share an article, drum roll, and then we'll get your raw reaction, right? Release the Kraken, Sean. All right. So lots of talk with regards to what will the industry look like post-COVID. I guess you could almost expect this would be this is an ongoing conversation that we've been having on some of the reaction videos. This is from our friends over at Skift. Awesome source of articles. So the title right there says it all with regards to switching to more automated processings to cope with reduced staffing. So looking for automated processes to reduce perhaps the amount of touch points for infectious disease risk, but also the idea of looking at it to reduce staffing. Many concern about possible staff not returning to hospitality. So the question I have for you all: do you think do you think indeed we're going to see even more automation? Will there be investment made in robots and other such things in the hotel for guest experience? That's the question. Why don't you're both newbies, so I don't know who to put in the hot seat first. Why don't we go ladies first, Gillian?
All right, definitely. I think this is a very interesting topic, and it's been, I think, widely discussed over the last couple of weeks. What do we do with the future of the hotels? Because, of course, most hotels are known for their personal interactions with guests, and that's also where like the real quality is coming from. But indeed, with the COVID going on at the moment, lots of webinars are also taking place right now. Is okay, how can we reduce our staff, reduce interaction, but still keep like the quality of the hotel up? And I think it's a very interesting development. And I think there are lots of nice tools that can really help hotels in reducing staff, but still upholding quality.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going to have to be. Do you think it'll be gradual, or do you think it'll be? You think it's going to happen, but do you think it'll be gradual, or do you think it'll be?
To be honest, gradual. Unfortunately, we're not granted the time to do it gradually. unfortunately, because hotels want to open up again, but they also want to regain trust of the guests coming back in, but also have the trust from staff, because the staff wants to be safe as well. Being exposed to travelers from hopefully all over the world again soon. So I think gradually is not really an option.
Yeah. Okay. John, what do you think?
Yeah, it's a great article. I think it's a great thing, right? You know, we talk about a lot about COVID accelerating things and not really creating new behaviors, but accelerating behaviors that are in motion. So this whole frictionless process where you go to a hotel, right? You walk right in, maybe go right to your room, and get situated, you know, not have to go to the front desk. You know, those things I think are great things. And it's also going to reduce a lot of cost for the hotels as well. So it's going to provide more convenience for the customer. It's going to reduce costs for the hotels, and it's also going to provide some more security. You know, some of these robots are kind of cool. Just my personal experience, like whenever I order room service, you know, you're not exactly in a presentable state a lot of times, right? You just kind of sit in your room, and maybe I would love to have a robot just kind of deliver my food and my coffee or whatever it is. And so I think a lot of these things will just make hotels better. It'll make it more appealing to stay at hotels. So it's going to be a good thing. Yeah.
Very cool. Do you agree with Gillian that it's that it'll be a little bit more immediate, that the COVID crisis is what potentially could have been a gradual process will be a little bit quicker?
Yeah, I agree 100% with Gillian. I think it's just going to happen pretty quick, right? For sure.
Okay. Awesome. Sean, any parting thoughts?
You know, we were worried about diseases. We were worried about wasps. We've been worried about everything. And now it looks like the robots are going to take over. I'm just saying, if the robots have anything to do with it, it will be quick. Painless, I can't promise, but it will be fast and efficient.
Sean has been maybe binge watching some old RoboCop and Terminator movies.
Hanging out with Elon Musk too much.
Yeah, maybe too much. Well, thanks everybody for that wasn't too bad, was it?
No.
Fun.
Awesome. I think the article is really very accurate. Something that's really important at the moment.